Steering wheel sensors, including torque and angle sensors, are vital for modern vehicles with electric power steering, EPS, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADS. They measure driver input and vehicle dynamics, ensuring safe and responsive steering. This video will cover 10 common signs of steering wheel sensor failure, their symptoms, and general fixes. Remember, repairs should be done by certified mechanics. Torque sensors measure the force applied to the steering wheel for variable assist in EPS. Angle sensors track the steering wheel's rotation, crucial for ADAS like lane keeping. These sensors send data to the car's ECU, which adjusts steering assistance. Failures often result from wear, electrical issues, corrosion, or software problems. In EVs and hybrids, sensor integration with regenerative systems can make failures more disruptive. If you notice shaking at low speeds or while cruising, especially worsening with acceleration, this indicates a problem. Check for loose connections or damaged wiring. If faulty, replace the torque sensor. Calibration via an OBD2 scanner is usually needed after the repair. The second sign of steering wheel sensor failure is difficulty turning the steering wheel. You may notice increased resistance or a heavy feel, especially at low speeds, which indicates electric power steering or EPS failure. The third sign involves warning lights on the dashboard. The EPS, stability control, or traction control lights may illuminate, alerting you to potential issues with the steering system. To fix these issues, use a diagnostic tool to read error codes from the vehicle's system. The sensor module may need replacement, and for electric vehicles, software updates from the manufacturer might be required. Sign 4 involves steering that feels manual or overly sensitive, losing the power-assisted feel. This indicates a need to test sensor calibration. Sign 5 features erratic ADAS behavior, such as lane keeping assist pulling unexpectedly. The fix involves updating vehicle firmware or replacing the angle sensor if its data is corrupted. Sensor failures are increasing with the rise of EVs and ADAS. Recalls and safety alerts are common, especially in brands like Tesla, BMW, and Kia. Future trends include integration with AI for predictive maintenance and a focus on cybersecurity to prevent hacking. Expect a reduction in failures with advanced redundancies and AI-assisted repairs.